Hello everyone! Can you solve this equation? The original equation can be written as 9 to the power of 1 over x plus 6 to the power of 1 over x equals 4 to the power of 1 over x. By dividing both sides of the equation by 4 to the power of 1 over x, we have 9 over 4 all to the power of 1 over x plus 6 over 4 all to the power of 1 over x equals 1. 9 over 4 can be written as 3 over 2 squared. Six over 4 can be written as 3 over 2. According to the power rule, a to the power of m all to the power of n equals a to the power of mn. So now we can write 3 over 2 all to the power of 2 over x plus 3 over 2 all to the power of 1 over x equals 1. Let 3 over 2 all to the power of 1 over x equal to t, and t is greater than 0. So we have t squared plus t minus 1 equals 0. Then we will find the value of the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. So our a is 1, b is 1, and c is minus 1. So it is 5, and our t is equal to minus 1 plus minus the square root of 5 over 2. Since t is greater than 0, we will take minus 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. Now let's substitute this equation to this one. So we have 3 over 2 all to the power of 1 over x equals minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Take the natural log of both sides of an equation. According to the power rule for logarithms, we can write log to the base b x to the power of n is equal to n times log to the base b x. Then 1 over x times ln 3 over 2 equals ln of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. So x equals ln of 3 over 2 over ln of minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now we apply a rule, the change of base formula. Log to the base ba equals log to the base key a over log to the base key b. So x equals log to the base minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, 3 over 2. And this is the answer of this task. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.